In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the license plate lights on the rear of this Toyota Tacoma. Let's get started. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Stick it in here, unthread both screws that hold the license plate lens assembly on. With these out, you'll see that the assembly comes out. And at this point, well, this gasket is falling apart for me. We are going to be transferring over the bulb and the socket, so instead of unplugging it, I'm just going to twist it counterclockwise. Then I can remove the entire bulb and socket assembly. This is going to be a perfect time for you to replace this bulb. Mine still works, so I'm going to reuse it. This is just a 194 bulb. Stick it into the new one, turn it until it locks in. It should be parallel with the lens. Inspect your two mounting points here, these two plastic inserts. Mine are perfect, so I'm going to align the license plate lens back on. I'm actually going to back out this screw here because what's happening is it's actually hitting that insert, not allowing me to line it up perfectly. Now that it is lined up, thread this back in. There we go. This caught. I'm not going to completely crush this. I don't want to damage the plastic. As soon as it tightens up and squishes on this rubber gasket just a little bit, give it a little extra. That should be plenty tight. There we go. Go back and forth. And there you have it. Do the same to the other side if needed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.